I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Roblox avatar skin color on the Roblox.com website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Roblox.com, and then sign into your Roblox account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Click the menu icon at the top of the screen if it's not already expanded to see the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Avatar in that menu. The Roblox Avatar Editor opens. Step 3. Click Head and Body at the top of this editor. Associated options are shown. Step 4. Click Skin Tone. You'll see options for different skin colors that can be applied to your Roblox avatar. Click any of the different color options to see them applied to your avatar. When you find the skin color you want to apply to your Roblox avatar permanently, simply leave that color selected. That skin color will be applied to your avatar going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.